the solution.
YouTube, welcome back.
I want you to put the word out there that we back up. Understand me? We back up.
It's the solution for frags. Back with another video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and drop down in those comments and let me know what you think of the video. Make sure you tell a friend. Smash that like button, smash the notification button so you know when I'm dropping another one of these videos. But today we got some sent mail.
Hey, it's the mailman!
Hey, fellas!
We're going to check the box out, and I believe I ordered 4 cents. And the reason why I say I believe is because this particular seller, there's always a delay with them. And when I realized it was them, because I hadn't ordered from them in a long time, the delay notification came in. So, ELIXIR Imports, you got to stop doing this, all right? I don't want to bash you or anything like that, but I believe what you're doing is you're waiting until you get a certain number of boxes in to begin shipping out orders. That's not good. This took about 2.5 weeks to get to. Huh? So we're going to open it up with my nifty device here. Make sure I keep my information covered. You know, we got some weirdos out there. And we're going to get that under there. Pull it forward like such. This is pretty dope. So we have 4 fragrances in here. And 3 I was really interested in. 1 I really wanted. And the 4th one I was like, it's in there. Let's just see what it does. So let's get into the first one. And here we have from Australia. And this is Absolute Chill. All right, now, to be clear, these are all hype fragrances from social media. Allegedly hype, but this for a fact, I do remember this one being talked about quite a bit. I'm not sure what it smells like. You cannot believe the influencers. I looked it up myself, but I can't remember what the notes were. We're going to put it up on the screen. I've never smelled this before, and I do have a way of smelling mostly. It's a green, so we're thinking fresh, earthy, potentially. I don't know. Let's see. But they also say chill, so that could be alluding to a few things as well. We're gonna get into the bottle. The bottle's pretty nice. Let me get into that. All right. Pretty nice bottle. Got the ombre effect with the green juice. Got the nice signature script around there. That feels like plastic. And they got a little weight at the bottom. Oh, that's nice. Smells very familiar to something I have. But very nice. This is a spring summer scent. It's very fresh. Got some marine notes to it, I believe. I like this one. This is definitely a warm weather scent. It's very happy. It's very active. Kind of smells like it has a tea leaf or a mint note in here. But I like this one. Goodbye. Australia. Absolute Chill. This is a good pickup for me. I don't know. Obviously, I know about the longevity, so we'll see what it does from there along with the sillage and everything. But definitely something you could reach for the shelf right away on a warm night, hot day, and be fine with it. Re-app, probably, possibly. I don't know anything about Australia. This one, we got stuff falling all out the box. Oh, this is a massive box right here. This is a massive box. Arabiat Prestige. Oh yes, this is definitely the one. It says La-di-da for him. So apparently there's a woman's version of this. I'm just gonna break it out my nice nifty tool. Let's get the big reveal. Like if I can open the box and grab it. This was the one that I was really curious about. Look at that presentation. Oh, there's more. Keep that out. What's going on here? Oh, this is fancy schmancy. Oh, then we open that up right there. Oh, okay. Gunmetal action. Oh, this is glued. Is that glue or Velcro? Y'all hear that? Oh, that opens up too. Look. Oh, that's some crazy presentation, you all. Crazy presentation. So it opens up. I'm always a brute. I was not supposed to. Look what I did. But who's wearing the box, right?
What have you done?
La-di-da. What an interesting name. Oh, that's plastic. So this is not gunmetal. The cap is. But this shroud, that's a good word for it. This swirling shroud that looks like metal isn't. This is plastic. But it does look really fancy. It's got some nice weight to it. Arabia Prestige. And let's see what we got here. Atomizer feels pretty cheap too. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. But it does smell familiar. This smells extremely familiar, but I'm not mad at it. It feels redundant to me, but I'm not mad at it. If it is something I kind of sort of already have, that DNA, that wheelhouse, I'll just burn it up and see what the longevity does. But Arabia Prestige, la-di-da for him. One I was looking for. Hawass for him, Malibu. And I've been on a little Hawass run too. I had the OG, which I know is Paco Rabanne, the trophy. All right, and I have the black. I recently bought that very, very dark scent, but not super heavy. I also have the ice, which is kind of like a intense version of the OG. And I have the ELIXIR over here. Just talking, y'all let me know if I got the 5. I believe it's 5. But I've been on a run with Hawass and this line right here. 100 mLs shop. This has not hit the rack stores yet, but from what I was reading, this is kind of popular. I want to see why. Obviously, if it's Malibu, we're thinking a marine, aromatic, citrus type deal. Ooh, that's a nice bottle. Yeah, I like that. That's cute. All right, so we get a gander at the bottle. Got like a metallic, kind of oceanic blue look, like water. And you already know about the Hawass bottles. Nice weight to it. Got that blue ombre effect. My lady loves that. Off the cap. Off the cap. We've got some redundancy already. You saw my Cosmic Giardino video.
Flashback.
This is just a beautiful fragrance. This smells incredible. Oh my goodness. It already, okay? If you have Maison Alhambra Scepter, already. Okay, if you have now I'm gonna leave it at that. I don't want to sway you all. But very, very familiar. Very familiar. If you don't have those other ones, this is a nice version of it. And we know this is a rendition of that JPG. Okay. Oh, this is nice. This is going to be a problem. Yeah, this is beautiful. There's something different. There's something different. There's kind of a candy, slightly bubblegumish effect to it. It's playful. It's sweet. It's aromatic. It's also fresh. And if Hawass does not let me down, they're known for their beast mode scents. This is another one that's going to be pumping. You won't need a lot of this if Hawass stick to the script. Off the cap. Back on the cap. This is the winner for all your chicken dinners right here. I love it already, but it is redundant, but I'm not mad about it either because it's a slight kind of sweet bubblegum thing going on behind it. It makes it slightly different. Now for the last one. This is one that I was not familiar with. And this is a trailer again. And this was, like I said, these are social media. Ooh, you know, baby, if you get this, he's going to eat you up. All that, all right? This is one of those scents that they do that on those social media platforms that I come across. Oh my goodness. Like I said, this was one that was just tossed in there. I was like, whatever. So, Australia, Amazonas Drift. So, let's get this baby open and see what we got. A very simplistic box. Nothing crazy about it. Eau de Parfums. All of these were Eau de Parfums. Anyway, all right, they're over in the UAE, if I'm not mistaken. Geography isn't their thing. Got a funny story about geography too. But let's see what it does. Here's the bottle. Oh, that's dope. Look at this, you all. They got the mountain at the base of the bottle. I like this already. Even though the bottle is not that remarkable. It's cool. Let's see what it smells like. Make sure I didn't spray that because I got a bunch of strips right here. See what that atomizer does. Oh, nice. Nice blast. Kind of spicy. Kind of fresh. Definitely a hot weather scent. Don't let the mountains fool you. But it's not bad. On the beach, hot day, humid days, this is going to perform well because it's jumping. It really is. 100 mLs, but it's not bad. It's not bad. I'm not mad at it. I would wear it, but this is definitely something I wouldn't wear all the time. This is definitely a hot weather. I don't know what the performance is like, but it's very spicy and kind of fresh at the same time. It's one of those hybrid scents that I tend to like from time to time that kind of move me towards the spicy scents, but it's not bad. So that is the Arabiat Prestige La Di Da. We have the Australia Absolute Chill. All right, and we have the Amazonas Drift, and we have the Hawass Malibu. All right, so on a rating of 5, what do I give this? Up to 1 to 5. This is a solid 4. Okay, dare I say 4.25, because this isn't that bad. It's not for everybody, but it's not that bad. With the other 3 holding it down for the 4 spot right there. This is a clear 3, and this one gets you your 1.25 right here. That makes it a good. If you see this online in this order and you don't have any of these and you're curious, go ahead and grab it. You won't be mad about it. If you have some of these things, you're like, I'm not doing that. I'd rather get all of these, all of what they're offering, all of what they're offering, all of what they're offering. I want the collection. This may not be for you, but I am the solution for frags. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe on the video, and tell me what you think. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you punch and knock out that notification button so you not when you know when you drop another one. And we're going to do this with an actual fragrance because I like this. And we're out of here. Boom.